Let's talk about how to connect this technology to your next meeting. Since it's a Microsoft Teams system, by default, it has all of the features of Microsoft Teams, so let's take a look at a few of those and how you're going to connect it to your next meeting. First, there's a Meet Now button. That's kind of a quick, simple way of connecting when you're in a room. There's no scheduled meeting, but you want to bring somebody in over Microsoft Teams. So all you have to do is hit the Meet Now button. That's going to launch a meeting, and that's going to open up the opportunity for you to connect to someone else. Here in the top right-hand corner, you're going to invite someone and you're going to add that individual. So let's add someone real quickly. Now this person is available. I can click on this person. I can click Request to Join, and that call will go out to that individual. If that individual accepts, that individual will then join the meeting, and away you go. Now that you're done with the call, you just go ahead and press the hang up button. Now, the gross majority of your meetings are going to be by invitation. So, if you're going to have a meeting inside the meeting room, make sure to invite the meeting room to that meeting. Here I have Microsoft Teams on my computer, and I'm going to go ahead and create new event. Basically, you would add a title, you would add the attendees just like you would normally, and then you would go ahead and add the room. Here I'm in the Wallace room, so I will type in Wallace. And you can see that the Wallace room at Cordy.com is available. I would choose it, save it, and it would send it to all our calendars. By doing it this way, you create a join button, and that makes it easy for everybody to join a meeting at that point. Simply go into the room. You can see here that a meeting has been sent to this meeting room, and all I do is I hit the join button, and the meeting room will then join the meeting. Now this is the best way to do it. That way everybody gets invited, everyone can connect, and it's as simple as clicking the join button. When you're done, just go ahead and hang up. Now, the last way I want to talk about is by using the ID and password of the meeting to join. So say you've been invited to a meeting and you run into the boardroom or one of the meeting rooms and you wish to connect to that meeting, but that meeting room wasn't invited. You could open the invitation and just forward it to the meeting room, and it will populate a join button just like we saw. Or when you open the meeting invitation and you look at the invite details, you'll see a meeting ID and a passcode. So on the touchscreen, you click Join with an ID, and then you go about entering the ID and the passcode, and then Join Meeting. The passcode is case sensitive, so make sure to use your upper and lower cases. Now you can see that the Join Teams Meeting button has lit up, so I can go ahead and click on that, and you can join. Now we're connected to the same meeting we were before. Now this is a good way to get connected. It's kind of a fail-safe, so to speak. And if you wanted to get someone else connected quickly, this is something that you can share, or you can forward the invitation and then they'll get the invite. Again, when you're done, simply hit the hang up button. That'll end the meeting. The room will go back to a default state and it's ready for the next meeting or whoever else is going to use the room. And that's how you join a Microsoft Teams meeting using this technology package in your new meeting rooms.